second point is Intang. So now there are the numerous authors has given the different names like extra 1, extra 4, extra 2, extra 3, extra 10, extra 20, extra 30, extra 40 like that. But rather than, because of every author's views are different to give the names, but nomenclature of the acupuncture, standard nomenclature, which we call as the head and neck acupuncture points, which is existing on the head and the neck region, right? Rather than that, since all the 361 points I told you, all the Chinese names to you, right? Without seeing the textbook, without seeing any chit of the paper, I told you all the 361 points with the right pronunciations. But now, also learn this around 50 points. 50 points you just learn to know about the Chinese names. Because you know this, then you are easy to, since I am also, because of already I have written the book name called as the ancient and then modern acupuncture. That also we are going to release soon, maybe in the word novels, inshallah. Since I write all the Chinese names related to this, because of that gives the more importance in order to understand about the depth of that. Why the name has been kept, the Chinese people. If you understand extra 1, extra 2, extra 3, extra 4, so that's not so good. Since whenever you wanted to go outside of the country, that the people doesn't know what is extra 1, extra 2, doesn't know the kidney 1, kidney 2, kidney 3. So therefore, always keep it in your mind this one. But I don't tell you about the other Chinese names, which 361 points. Perhaps it's required when you wanted to practice in Japan or Canada or Australia, and people, most Western countries, partially they identify the points related to the P1, P2, P3, K1, K2, K3, something like that. When you go to the Chinese oriented countries like Taiwan, Mongolia, Japan, Korea, right? All these countries, they doesn't know what is K1, K2, K3. So that's the reason I wanted to tell you about the Chinese names, so that the whole globally, we all know 160 countries are practicing, but all those countries are, most of the countries are recognizing by the Chinese names, not this, K1, K2, K3. But however, in India, it's not required to understand about the Chinese names. However, in our classes, at the end of the classes or during the examination time, we will ask you the Chinese names. That around 10 points, 10 marks will be, we will ask you, write down the Chung Fen. Chung Fen means liver 4, right? So the points known as a Vayu points. How many Vayu points are existing in our body? 16. We says no, the Vayu points, Pitta points, Kapha points. How many Vayu are the wind related points are existing? 16. Yes. All together, generally there are the 9 points. But when we look at about the integratedly, the 16 points, since the Pa means in Chinese is 8, Fen means is the wind points. That also we will see, I think today is the topic. Integratedly. So in that way, when you wanted to understand Fen Lung is, that also one kind of the wind and plum point called as a stomach 40, right? Bing Fen, right? That point is small intestine 12. That also it is the Vayu point on the scapular region, right? So in this way, when you understand about the Feng, I told you it is related to the wind. In the similar way, try to understand is the points which is related to this Intang. This location, most of the times, trying to understand, now I am giving you is the key to everyone to practice easily and implement in your clinical practice. Now we are studying about the point known as a extra one or the in-thumb. The point is located on the glabella. This region known as a glabella region. But midway between the two eyebrows on the superior part of the nose, or the arch of the nose, or the tip of the nose. So where the point is located, you just hold this skin and then apply the needle. So when you are applying the in-thumb point, the bridge of the nose, you just hold the bridge of the nose and then insert the needle on the surface of the upper region that should go to the downwards direction. Right?
How deep can we do
Yeah, 0.5 to 1 chun deep can be applied. For the children, it is 0.25 chun is recommended, or it is 0.2, 0.3 chun. Right? What is the space is located here, deeper level, you just apply. Even maximum 1 chun needle you can apply here. But this point is whether you can apply or insert the needle. So there are the 2-3 directions you can apply this needle. You just apply the perpendicular or the downwards direction, oblique direction or horizontal direction towards the bridge of the nose. So that related to all the nose related diseases can be treatable by activating this point. At the same time, when there is a polyps are there, or the rhinorrhea, or we call as a rhinitis, or the nasal obstruction or blockage are related to the running nose related conditions. So anything related to the nose, the numerous pathology causes, when there is the problem of the more accumulation of the mucus which is accumulated, or there is a polyps, the maximum growth of the internally mucus has been developed, that partially having the difficult to treat on that condition, that time it is essential to ask and proceed for the ENT surgeon, which is essential to do the surgery. Whereas without that, so most of the nose related conditions, even the people today after the COVID, most of the conditions causes the anosmia condition. That means the absence of the smell. That is the olfactory bulb going to block. So that block to be open by activating this point. Of course there is the olfactory bulb. There is another point is called as located on the temporal region. But however, this point having the local point, having the local effect, then you understand the person says, मुझे सर्दी हो गई है और नाक बंद हो जाती है, रात में तकलीफ होती है, मुझे नासिवियन ड्रॉप्स डालना है, वोट्रिविन ड्रॉप्स डालना है, जब आप सलाइन वाटर डालेंगे तो मेरी नाक खुलती है. ऐसे सिचुएशन में अगर आप नीडल लगाएंगे, अगर आपके पास नीडल नहीं है तो फिर आप प्रेशर भी दे सकते हैं. When you wanted to apply the pressure, you just make sure. तो आपको इस बिंदु को you just activate in this direction, give the pressure. जब आप इस बिंदु को इंडेक्स फिंगर्स के साथ जब प्रेशर देंगे, clockwise direction for a minute and then anti-clockwise direction for a minute, certainly there is a relief. जब आप इस चीज को एक्टिवेट करेंगे, आप याद रखिए, there are the numerous physiology. This point is treatable for the pineal gland in our body. The pineal gland is the deepest internal center of the gland which is located in the central nervous system brain. So that you are activating to the pineal gland. As per the chakras, this is the opening point for the Agni chakra and the opening point for the third eye. But spiritual gate of the life to open the third eye. So however you wanted to activate this, the pineal gland is the majorly, it releases the melatonin which is essential for the inducing the natural sleep. Today the people who are not getting the sound sleep, the people who take a lot of medication like which we call as alprazolam tablets or zolpidem tablets, so that and all, so even you can avoid by taking this medicine once you activate this point naturally. See, however, the natural sleep is different from the synthetic sleep. Remember, God nature has given you in the darkness to make you the inducing the natural sleep. So because of that is essential to cool down your brain system, the cool down the central nervous system. If you are not cooling down, that causes the problem of the warm up, always is elevating the heat in your brain system, which leads to the hypertension, which leads to the cardiovascular diseases and numerous diseases. So therefore, once you activate this point, so melatonin, which we call as melanin, is different from the melatonin. Melatonin, serotonin is different from the melatonin. So therefore, melatonin is released by activating this point. So once you activate these people who are suffering for the amnesia conditions, the people who have the forgetfulness or the who have the difficulty in memory, right? All this, even for the children today, both are required. Even children says, रात भर बच्चा नहीं सोता है, तो फिर you make them to induce this point. However, to create the natural sleep, I wanted to suggest you two most important points, which already I told you. One point is the Paihui DU20. The second point is known as a in-thong point. So both the points, since the melatonin is the key role is inducing the sleep and the serotonin is awakening of the sleep. So therefore both are very much essential. When you activate both the points, yet the dopamine happy hormones releases by activating the DU20 or melatonin releases by activating to the extra one. So therefore you understand both are very crucial. अगर जितना भी समस्या सर का रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है तो ऐसे कंडीशन में बच्चों का हो या बड़ों का हो आप जरूर इस बिंदु को एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं. तो कुछ दिन पहले 4 महीने की बच्ची ने आई थी, उस बच्ची के लिए हमने नीडल लगा के ट्रीटमेंट किया ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द बैटल. मैच्योर जब बच्चों को ट्रीटमेंट करते हो तो फिर आपको एंटीरियर फोंटेनेले एंड देन पोस्टीरियर फोंटेनेले 2 होल्स हॉलो होते हैं. उस हॉलो पे आप नीडल लगाना बेहतर नहीं है और प्रेशर देना भी बेहतर नहीं है. अगर बच्चों को अगर करना है ये पॉइंट तो बहुत ही सेफ है. अगर इस बिंदु को अगर आपने एक्सपर्ट हो तो फिर जरूर आप उस बिंदु को एक्टिवेट करो. अगर आपको पता नहीं है कहाँ पे प्रेशर देना है, कभी बाय मिस्टेक फोंटेनेले पे अगर आप प्रेशर देते हो, दैट्स हार्मफुल टू द बेबी. बच्चों से लेकर बूढ़ों तक जितने लोग भी अगर पीड़ित हैं जिससे नींद नहीं आती है, ऐसे लोगों को आप याद रखिए इस बिंदु को एक्टिवेट करके नेचुरल स्लीप आप ला सकते हो. लेकिन कब तक इस बिंदु को हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट करना है? लोग चाहते हैं कि मैंने किस तरीके से पिल्स ले ली, मुझे 10 मिनट में नींद की झलक आ गई तो मैंने सो गया. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन आपकी कितने साल से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इतने लिए आपको कंटिन्यूसली अराउंड 40 डेज इफ यू कीप गिविंग द प्रेशर, बट एवरी डे यू विल गेट चेंजेस. आपको 1 घंटे के बाद नींद लगती थी तो फिर आपको पौने घंटे में नींद आएगी, फिर आपको आधे घंटे में नींद आएगी. इसी बदस्तूर आपको जरूर धीरे धीरे नींद का रूटीन चेंज हो जाएगा. जब तक आपने मन में आप सोचते नहीं. इवन द पीपल हु आर गेटिंग द डायबिटीज मेलिटस आल्सो रीजन हु डोंट गेट द स्लीप और हु डोंट स्लीप ऑन टाइम. इवन द पीपल स्लीप एट लेट नाइट्स, कभी 2 बजे, कभी 3 बजे, कभी 1 बजे, कभी 12 बजे के बाद सोने की आदत होती है. स्टिल वी ऑल एसेंशियल टू चेंज आवर लाइफ पैटर्न. वी नीड टू स्लीप बिफोर 11 o'clock. विल मेक इट द प्रैक्टिस बिफोर 10 o'clock. अगर 9 बजे के बाद सोते हैं तो रियली इट इज अ वेरी आइडियल टाइम. अगर आपने 11 बजे के अंदर सो जाते हैं तो रियली दैट्स अ गुड टाइम टू स्लीप. अगर उसके अंदर आपको नींद की झलक आ जाना चाहिए. Even you don't get diabetes also. The people who are, even for the females I am telling you, who will get the irregular menstruation, also it is related to the insomnia as well. The people who late sleeper, that also causes the problem. But however मैंने आपको एक solution, एक बिंदु दिया है, वो दोनों पॉइंट को एक्टिवेट करके नेचुरली यू कैन इंड्यूस द नेचुरल स्लीप. ये कहाँ पे? You are directly treating to the gland. You are directly treating to the central nervous system, the brain. Of course, this point is not only one point, but अगर हमने Emamoto New Scalp Acupuncture की बात करेंगे, the whole glabella region, you are treating to all the sense organ in our body. This also which is related to the sense organ, अगर इसके ऊपर अगर नीडल लगा देंगे, आई रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम, अगर उसके ऊपर नीडल लगाएंगे, it is the nose, eyes and then mouth and ear related conditions. All this glabella region treatable for all the sense organ in our body. So therefore, whenever you have the problem, give the pressure. अगर दोनों उंगलियों के माध्यम से आप प्रेशर देते रहेंगे, इस बिंदु को आप जरूर सेंस ऑर्गन को आप एक्टिवेट कर रहे हो. When I take, maybe I don't know whether Yamamoto I can take, maybe if the time permits, so I'll try to take that scalp acupuncture also. But however, I'll take the Chioshenpa method or the standard nomenclature of the scalp acupuncture areas and location. That is the key which we need to understand where globally the people practice that kind of scalp. But however, tongue mapped scalp acupuncture, so numerous related conditions, different methods. But however, since we are talking about this also head and neck, this also scalp, right? You are treating to the scalp. जब आप scalp को treatment करेंगे, the chronic diseases or acute diseases or sub-acute diseases पे ये काम करता है. Yes, of course. When you wanted to treat for the vision disturbances, then you treat by this needle you are applying here, that needle to be, this needle to be applied towards the, when you are treating in tongue point, I applied horizontally downwards direction. When I wanted to treat for the vision related problem, you just hold and then apply the needle towards the eye system. I apply towards the stanzo, that point is UB2. Do you know the UB2 points is the crucial point to treat for the vision disorders? But of course there is a very hollow, very sharp hollow is there on the Sansu region. So there you need to bleed for all the vision related diseases. Just applying the needle is not much helping, but when you, with 3-edged needle or the lancet, you just prick and bleed that area, that always is good to treat for the vision related diseases. But however, you are treating the pineal gland towards the eye system, then you are treating to the Zanzu point. When you are treating in the downwards direction towards the inner campus of the eye, that also treating for the ophthalmic artery. So change the deviation, change the direction of the needling, that always is good. But my way of practice is through to through needling is always is good. You are communicating to the one point to other point, having the synergy effect.
How do we understand, sir, whether we need to go which direction?
Based on the clinical conditions, based on the sign and symptoms of the patients. When you wanted to treat nose, you just apply the perpendicular. When you wanted to treat for the vision and change the direction.
Can we use two separate things?
Yes, of course, that also possible. We can do 2 needles also. If you wanted to save the needles, then you can use single needles.
Piercing. So now you have pierced your left eye. So is it like if I have to treat the left eye,
Yes,
I
sir.
pierce the
Yes,
left?
from here to here, one more needle. Even now itself, you can insert the needle on the other direction. The first one direction is the very important, that is in tongue you apply. So same in tongue, from the in tongue, just I am applying towards the other point, other area. So that's called as a, this is so in the opposite direction. So in this way we can activate in the other directions.